Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can add a preloader screen in our WordPress website. Before we do that, we need to understand what preloader does. A preloader is a placeholder element that is displayed until the entire website has loaded. Now let's see how we can add one into our website. To do that, we need to click on plugins. Then we need to click on add new button. Then we need to search for the desired plugin. Here we will search as Preloader. So as you can see, we have some suggestions of Preloader WordPress plugin. And now we see that this one, the Preloader Plus, has the most ratings. It is suggested that we install the plugins which has most ratings. So we are going to install this Preloader Plus plugin. So install now. As you can see, it's getting installed. We need to activate it. So our plugin has been installed. Now we are going to see how it changes our website. So let's reload the website. See, we can see a loading screen. So this is our Preloader Plus WordPress plugin. Thank you everyone for watching this video.